Okay, here is the Samsung Blu-ray DVD player, and I'm going to show you how it doesn't have any sound on Blu-ray movies, but sound on standard definition and things like Netflix. First thing we're going to do is put in a standard definition DVD, and here is the standard definition right there. And I'm going to put it right in here. And it is connected via HDMI, of course, because that's the only option we have, to this 27-inch monitor right here, through the back. There's the wire going right here from the player. There we go. And it is going to play a DVD. Here it goes. And for some reason I have the video light on, but I'm sure you can still see it clearly. And it should start playing in a second. There we go. There we go. And it plays no problem. Okay. Hold on. Okay. So that was a standard definition DVD. And now I'm going to go ahead and change the DVD and put in Blu-ray. The Blu-ray I happen to have here is Snitch. Just got it in the red box. And we're going to put that in and play it. Let's see what it does. It's reading it right now. It's loading it. You can see loading. And there we go. And now on this monitor it won't play. It says loading, but for some reason yesterday it wouldn't play the DVD at all. And I'll show you in a second how on my 50-inch plasma now it has been playing the video but no audio. Okay, now it says input not supported, which is kind of strange. Alright. Okay, we're going to stop. That's the input not support. Doesn't input not support. So now we're going to stop this from playing anything. So hit stop. Stop. And let's see if this kicks back in. I'm going to go home. I may have to power it off and on. Let's see. Home. No, I'm going to have to power it back up and down. Anyways, I'm going to put it on the other television set and show you that it does the same thing, and it won't play the DVD movies.